What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts, Rc-Xtreme, gravel pit. What an amazing day, don't you agree? 7 degrees on the plus side, Celsius. Traxxas Sledge with M2C Racing, Jackhammr conversion kit. Haven't been running this one for quite some time, actually. And as you can see, it's started melting, so the ground is really soft. Okay, so we have a dump truck over here. I pray to G that he doesn't come down here. They actually haven't quit working yet. It's gonna be so dirty. But it's like tarmac. It's so much grip over here. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. So, see, it is super soft. Oh, I can barely walk here. Gonna sink. Well, I'm not gonna, definitely not gonna clean them today, that's for sure. Fuck, sorry. Sorry for that F word, guys. In the water. Definitely a driver's car. Perfect. Tons of grip, as you can see. And we broke it. But to be honest, who cares? Had a good time. I don't know where I landed. Maybe I landed the sideway. Problem is I probably lost the effing dog bone. Oh. It didn't broke, so to speak. Actually snapped the crap pins. Okay, stay tuned. Well, normally I never give up, and I was so effing close, and just picked up the car and just looked down, and there it is. But to be honest, that doesn't matter. I snapped another shock stand off. See if I have any spare at home. I think so, I might have. Anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick build breakdown here, guys. The body is mangled up, cracked. This is actually a Toyota crawler body. It's pretty straight, a little bit bent, but not much. We can fix that. Oh, sorry. We fix that later. Turn off. Oh. 52mm Z 6S. Okay, so this is the Traxxas Sledge using the M2C Racings conversion kit. Jackhammr is fully built with I'm using an extra, they said it's a beefier rear center shaft, also used in the front chassis. Motor mount, mid diff plate, holders complete, rear motor position, ESC plate, shock towers, upper brace. I don't have this support here, which I have on the other Jackhammr. ZRS caps, O-ringed, standoffs, their outdrives, front and rear, of course. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, I'm running their extended hex 2 beefier rear dog bones. Yeah, and Traxxas optional cut hardened ring gears and diff pinions. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm around 30 or 60k in the rear. I really don't remember. I need to check on YouTube how the setup is, or the Traxxas forum. 150 2k or 200k in the mid, 80 or 100 in front. Suspension wise, I actually don't remember. I really don't. Snapped a shock stand off. Gonna fix it when I'm coming home. If I'm lucky, I have one or two. And the suspension arm, the axle snapped, so nothing is broke besides that one. Max 6 you see 4985 1650 gear 20 Savux 1210, I think it is, Vitaba servo. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.